Hey guys, it's Brigitte with San Diego Seed Company, and I want to talk about beneficial flowers. Okay, on a lot of our seed packs, on the back, if you see them, I talk about letting plants go to flower so that beneficial insects can enjoy them. Well, what does that mean? Here's a good example. Look at this gorgeous dill. Oh my God, it's tall, it's adorable, the flowers are beautiful. And so my dill, it's done giving me lots of yummy foliage to eat, but now it's going to flower and then it's gonna go to seed. I'm letting this happen because we love dill seeds in our baked goods, and also because the flowers are gorgeous and they're really great for beneficial insects. You will see butterflies on here, you'll see bees, you'll see beneficial wasps, all kinds of insects love these flowers. So not only are they gorgeous and make a great row in your garden, but they're also great for all the insects in your garden that you want to have. So if you've got herbs in your garden that are going to flower, basil, fennel, dill, any of those things, and you have a little bit of space that you can let them grow, let them flower and they'll be so beautiful and you'll have more butterflies and beneficial insects in your garden, which is good for a happy garden.